This week we repaired the 2 inner rear wheel arches. Got 2 sections to them. You saw me bending and shaping all the bits up.
Just looks quite brutal really, doesn't it?
Well, normally you drill these out and then you can spot weld it back up, but because you can't find the spot welds when it's that rusty, you know. Then I know when that goes in, it's the right height there, and over height there. These I'll trim out to the worst of the rust position. I want to keep it on the inside of where that joins, and then I won't have to replace that. So you cut that one out. If you look there, that lip goes over that one. So what I want to do is cut that out. I know my height there comes level with that. Place that inner one first, and then I can put the outer one in with a swage over the outside, so it looks like it's original. I only really want to come to about there by the looks of it. And that tap, see how solid it is. Yeah, that'll be alright. Right, so I know I need to put a curve in there, and I know I've put a swage in there to match that, so I'll leave plenty of extra material there. I'll go to about there. Height should do me, just go up to there. See why it's worth putting the double curve on it. It gives you that way and that way. So when you put your paint, you can always hammer that in a bit, but it's giving me a nice straight line there for the floor section to go into when I put that in. So I can spot weld all that round. We'll just set a height off of that one, trim it off, and make the little plate that goes in there. There, looking at that, we know our curve's about right. I'll go trimming that in. I'll leave that at that until I put the floor in, and then when I put the return on the floor that way, then I can trim it all flush like we did on the back panel, you know. So let's make that bit now.
What's that bit you're using there?
It's called a joddler. It just, I don't know if you can see it on there, that edge. You might be able to see it on that. And they can't really see it. That edge, if you feel it, is lipped out. Yeah?
Okay.
So just to make it look like it's as it was, you know. So it just does that. Steps it very slightly.
Again, no one's going to see it, but
no, but it's
doing it
as
right.
it should be, you know what I mean? looks as closest to the original as you're going to get it, you know.
Next week on the workshop.
The number plate bolts on there, and you can drive around with it open and the number plate flaps down.
All right.
But everybody leaves them open and forgets and reverses into things.